I'll be halfway to my mama's home. It just dawned on me like his eyes fleeting as a passing dawn. And it was my mistake, she never said a thing about Jesus. I miss my mother's southern drawl and her praying through the walls in the evening. Give me my dawn's bed.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Abdurrahman.
My name is Adi Krisya Artikasari. My name is Saskia Nurfadila.
My name is Zulkifli. My name is Ilham.
Today we will discuss shall students have a strict daily study schedule?
What do you think about having a strict daily study schedule?
In my opinion, it is because students can manage their time better. Yeah, how do you feel about strict study schedule? I'm not sure I agree because it can make students stressed. Zul, in your opinion, is a study schedule important?
I think it is important because it helps students become disciplined. What do you think about studying every day?
I agree that's a good point because students can improve their learning. Abdurrahman, do you think the schedule should be very strict?
I see your point, but I think it should be flexible because students also need. Rizka, what is your opinion about flexible schedules?
I agree students have different learning styles. I understand. However, I still think strict schedules can be stressful.
That's true, but I still agree that a schedule helps students stay organized.
So do we agree students should have a study schedule but not too strict?
Yes, we agree. That's for this question. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Behind the Scene.